Welcome to today's video where we will explore a C programming code example and understand its key concepts. Let's dive in. At the beginning of the code, we include the standard input-output library stdio.h, which allows us to use functions like printf. Next, we see variable declaration and initialization. We have an integer variable number with a value of 10, a floating point variable decimal with a value of 3.14, and a character variable character with a value of a. To display the values of these variables, we use the printf functions and formatting specifiers like %d for integers, %.2f for floats, and %c for character. Moving on, the code performs arithmetic operations. It calculates the sum, difference, product, and division of the number variable with other values. The code includes an if-else statement to check if the number is positive, negative, or 0. It then prints the corresponding message based on the result. In the next section, a for loop is used to iterate from 1 to 5. With each iteration, it prints the current iteration number. The code introduces arrays. We have an array of integers called numbers and an array of characters called message. The program accesses and modifies elements of the arrays. It prints specific elements of the numbers array and the entire message string. It also updates an element of numbers and changes a character in message. Lastly, the code demonstrates how to iterate through the numbers array using a for loop, printing each element at a different indices. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.